case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the Saenz v. Roe case, the spotlight focused on a California law that asserted strict restrictions on welfare benefits for new residents. The objective was to cut down on the state's welfare budget by adjusting the benefits to mirror those the new residents would have received in their prior state of residence. The law marked a notable departure from the status quo and required the endorsement of the Secretary of Health and Human Services. The plaintiffs, however, challenged this new policy structure, arguing that it impinged on their constitutional rights. Echoing these sentiments, the lawsuit was a plea for fairness, a call for an equitable welfare landscape that didn't penalize individuals based on their length of residency in California or their previous state of domicile. The initial decision by a lower court upheld the contested law. However, this ruling was later appealed to the Supreme Court, leading to a reconsideration of the case. The plaintiffs' main thrust of argument hinged on asserting that the law infringed on their constitutionally protected right to travel, as well as the privileges and immunities afforded to citizens under the U.S. Constitution. The Supreme Court, in its final verdict, deemed the California law unconstitutional, siding with the plaintiffs. They affirmed that the law infringed on citizens' constitutional rights, notably the right to travel without penalty and the right to be treated alike in their new state of residence. The Supreme Court underscored that the framers of the Constitution intended for equal protections under the law, a principle not to be undermined by fiscal considerations. Consequently, the controversial statute was unable to withstand the scrutiny of the highest court in the land, marking a triumph for proponents of constitutional rights and equal welfare access. Accordingly, the lower court's earlier decision was overruled, and the judgment of the Court of Appeals was affirmed, leading to a resounding win for the plaintiffs. This pivotal ruling underscored the primacy of constitutional protections over state fiscal concerns, reestablishing the constitutional guarantee of the right of citizens to travel freely and be treated with equality.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.